What's the meaning of aromatherapist? Aromatherapist. Aromatherapist.
Aromatherapist. Aromatherapist. An aromatherapist is a professional who uses essential oils to promote healing and well-being in their clients. Essential oils are highly concentrated plant extracts that are believed to have therapeutic properties. Aromatherapists use these oils in a variety of ways, including massage, inhalation, and topical application, to treat a wide range of physical and emotional conditions. They may work with clients to address specific health concerns, or simply to promote relaxation and stress relief. With training in both the science and art of aromatherapy, these practitioners aim to harness the power of nature to support and enhance the body's natural healing processes.